Hi guys, today we're going to have a go to zone €0.5, well, Thumbturn. Interesting bitting on the key, should be quite tricky, covered in cat hairs as is the norm in my house. It's just a standard lock, so I won't bother showing you what's inside, plus I haven't really got time to gut it tonight anyway. That's assuming I get it picked, of course. I do have a good track record of failure lately. But really the main point of the video is to test out my camera. It's just my phone, it's the same one I use for all my vids, but I think I've just figured out how to turn the autofocus on and off, so that cat hair on my fingers really annoying me, so that it's not always zooming in and out. So hopefully it'll look a little bit better. There it is. So we're in a full set at the moment. There's definitely spools in here. And there we go. Blimey, it just seems to let go, this one. You get no clue, just all of a sudden you're in. One zone euro, hopefully all in focus, but we'll find that out when I play it back. Thanks for watching.